Good morning, students. Today we can see how to create an application through by Node.js. Okay. Node.js. From the Node.js, we have in that is a React. React.js is there. How to install React.js. How to create an application. After create an application, how to configure and how to run. Simple command is there. npm init react react hyphen app react hyphen app some filing about what you're going to create. After the extracting all the file, okay, you have to give by the command equal to npm start. You have to give npm start. File going to be open. File going to be open. Now see that when you go from here, command prompt, where suppose command prompt, you have to go to the C drive. Already create one folder for that React. You create one folder. Then you have to type by the command npm init react hyphen app. Then already created one folder sample, so I create by some other thing demo. Once create the demo command, it download in the all the necessary files on the particular folder to go and download the all the thing. It takes some time download it. Depending upon internet connectivity, it go and download all. Once download is done, it have to create by the folder. It give by the some command will become. So until now we had to wait for that. After the wait, we can able to configure that in C drive. What are folder we created? React.js. I create by demo. Okay. Still not file not created. We had to wait for some time. After wait for some time, okay, we had to create by the some files going to created. Okay, the what are the supporting file to run by the particular the JavaScript application? All the files going to be downloaded from the internet. You can easily to configure by one local host file. Local host file with run by the sample application. Sample application you can able to see. It takes some few minutes. Okay. I think it's going to complete as soon as possible. Once completed, you give by that some command is that the files downloaded and give the command as that hack. Something is there coming on hack. You see it. You can run by the command npm init react hyphen app demo. Now the folder going to be created by the demo. In the folder, you can able to see by how many files are there, how many files to create by internet. Totally around by 44,797. 44,797 files going to be created. Now you can see that particular folder with having demo. You can able to see observe that once you complete the task, you can able to see the same kind of folder going to be available on your drive. Okay. Available on a drive. In 13,983 are there. You see that it's not possible to complete it. Once completed one, once completed, okay, we can able to get by the you see that happy hacking. Okay, what you they are saying that if you want to run by that is npm, the npm is the packages to run that this particular software Node.js. We give by npm start. Okay, npm start is had to give. Before that, I had to go to there is a folder. Okay, which folder create a file? Okay, cd demo. We'll go give dir file. You can see that totally having it is a total number of files having that is a files are occupied. So we'll now see by that directly instead of this we'll open by dot code. Dot code is compromised the command prompt. I think code dot is there directly opened by the Visual Studio with respective location. It's going to be open. After type by the code dot we have in the source. We have in the source app.js is there. app.js. You click with the terminal. Okay, open by new terminal. Already the file was available in the same drive. Okay, we give the command. You can give the command as that. Now I can able to modify command equal to npm not in the command prompt type by npm start. Once give the npm start, some local host want to be created from here. Local host. For that, I will make by that is the three screen window will be modified. Okay. One start by the React.js. Now I mark it as that is a single window. You can able to see by all. Okay. This is my file. This is my file. Now this is make it by the right hand side. Okay. This will be make it as the left hand side. I will make it by left hand side. So in this one bottom side you can able to display by the command prompt also. Also the command prompt. So come here command prompt. This need to be a command on right hand side. Okay, we'll see it. This is my entire setup for the entire setup. Okay, code the space I mean opened by the Visual Studio Code. From the code, we can able to see what is the outputs are coming. Okay, we'll see here. This is my page. This is my page. Already I have in the edit src app.js and save will reload. Suppose we want to type by the new thing commands. I can type from here. Okay, I type from as the suppose welcome. Welcome to small game. Welcome to small game. If you type and just to save it, it is going to reflect on here. Right? Left hand side have to be reflected on by the web page. Suppose I don't want this one. I want to know about the new things. So what you'll do here, you can remove the application. Already in my computer, some other applications are available. Okay. We'll see on that is a particular the file here. Suppose I want to open this file. Okay, just edit mode. Simply I want to print. I want to print by with having that is the hello world. Simply copy and save and make by the save. I think this is not as the file. We can say here, come to here. Previous command is there. Welcome to the small demo. Small demo. One side going reflecting on that is your page. Now I can come here. React.js applications. Yeah. Now React.js application. We'll open by some other application. Okay. We'll try to create by button. Okay. We are creating by the button for that. Okay. For that, I have to save this file and I have to be modified. Okay. Now I have to close this one. Setup will be come here. Setup will come here and also give by the command prompt with Explorer. This Explorer not there. We see it. Okay, now I want to control A delete and simply click by the new application was created. Okay, we get ready by the application. My button. My button equal to IM as a button is given. I have to call the function equal to export from the default function is that function dot my app. In this one, divide in the category will they give by the message as the welcome to my application. Okay, suppose you want to change it, you can give the change command. Welcome to this welcome to my web page. Welcome to my web page. Once save it, you can see here. Welcome to my web page became and here I am buttons are there. I am button, create one button for that button. The command is given by as a function of the my button equal to the return I there is a button. I am button. Suppose I want to change. You want to change by the this might be the click button. If you want to click by the click, you can save it. You want to modify the button name also. Button name also is considered by the button equal tag, one tag, button having ending with the tag, everything confirmed as a my button. We call the function as that is my application, we call by that is welcome to my home page. Bottom side I call by the function we call about my button. My button is on tag. From the tag you can able to display by open tag, my close tags are there. You can able to call by the button and display the output. This is a simple application about that is the my app. Now I can able to see on by some other file. Okay, with having the Node.js, Node application. Already from download from as the React.js, the application only. React.js they are given by some demo code. Demo code and downloaded. Just as I want to show you how to execute the code from that one. Okay. Now I copy the code from that is one. Okay. Node communities are there. From the Internet Explorer, you can able to see by that is the React.js. The React.js communities are there. From the community only downloading that is the comments. From that is the Reactjs.dev app, devs. From there, when there is some demos are there, start a new project, what you can do. From there only, I downloading the project in the TikTok game. Okay. Simply I can explain that what is going on by TikTok. Okay. From that is the code. How to create the file mean? You have to see there. You have to create by the files. Okay. With when that is the notepad is there, we have source codes are there. We have to open the score already copied the source code. Suppose I want to create a new file over there. I can simply make it by the it is the copy and right click it and make it with the paste. From outside you can able to paste. If you have paste now, if you want to paste here, you will get by as a one copy is available on the outside folder. Okay, what you going to create by you? Whatever thing you want to create by yourself, click by the control A and have to be paste. From that is the wherever files are available. Okay, open the particular files. Okay, copy and come to here. You have to paste. Okay, once pasted, okay, we'll say I'll explain what is that is the game for that. You want to place the game. Okay, you want to place the game. I'll maximize the windows to make by the two windows. You can see here. One is the window, another one is called about that is the Internet Explorer. You compromise the now right hand side. Okay, left right hand side is there. Now you can see here. We want to come to the function. We have to call we having that is a use site. Okay, we'll give the function call about is the use state is there, use state. From the use state, we have to call the function is square. Okay. In this function, we have a lot of functions are there. Functions are there. Okay. The function, they explain that as the what is the first one. Dividing the entire window is there, divided. I'll first explain this one and then go to the first, I have to be a import that is the use state function for the React JS. They can created by the square value having the on square click will be there. Button need to create by the square. Square type will be created. If the button want to create it. But I mean like from as a small boxes are there. After the board creating by as the three thing want to be handled with here. They have to pass the argument as the is next square and the unplace are there. Function having there is a handle clicks are there. Based on the click enable display by the square function will be there. Card with having the square. Both have to be match or not. Calculate by the winner for that. Okay, anything be match square and square of I is there. Able to match. The having next one is the constant the squares are be there. Square of slice will be there. We have to display by the first click compromise the X. Secondly, compromise it is the O for the small O for that. Can make by the play the thing. And I had to check from the each and every square bar whether I mean there is the 3x3 or O there or not. How they want to calculating by the winner for that, calculating by the winner is passing by the square value. The winner one had to check about the winner equal to winner or not. Had to check about status. Okay. After the status equal to new player, whether which player want to win. So we have to be what is the final outputs are there. We have to stop from here. The entire board divided into this the window one divided. There is dividing window. The particular class name, I mean, there is the board view, board row will be there, board row. After the board row, he had decided it is the board row, how many rows we require. Okay, the required, he'll say that we have in that is the nine values are required. Nine values are required. So I had to divide into this the 0, 1, 2, 3. First getting by the one particular row, having the 0, comma 0, 1, 2, 3. The give by there is a handler click will give by 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, having 3 by 3s are required. He called by the three windows are created from first row, second row, third row also divided. After compromise gaming function. Then I have to check from as a constant variable equal to use state value or not. What is the previous states are they? First use the compromise X, second use the compromise the O. They want to check about the history based on the click movement. Handling with the play movement, they checking about all the history, whether can able to compromise the output or not. After I had to simply compromise the move. Okay, having the history of the map is there, what is the moves are there? Whether I have move having this greater than move or less than move, what kind of move I display there? Whether having the X move or O moves are there based on the first click. First click means X, second click compromise the O for that. Similarly, I return to the move. Okay, how many moves are done from that output can able to display there. Simply called by the game function and calculate by winner. We have to see by the option for that. Currently having the 0 to 9 winner, 0 to 9 box are available. We have to check about is the all the diagonal one and having that is the row wise, column wise, and also diagonal wise, and also having that is the diagonal with having that is the cross diagonal also. I have to check from is all the points. These are points are they can able to assign the having the winner is the same to assign. Okay, this having the function for that. We'll see what is the output for that one. Okay, simply now I want to do here. I want to make by that is the two window one divided, two window. Now I give by the save button. Once given save button, you're going to compromise that is the outputs are coming. Having the next player equal to X is there. X player X is big. Simply want to click with the when the one dot go to game start. One click is the game start from the first player having the X players are there. Okay, when you start playing, there's the first movement give by there is the X for that. Next player want to ask about is the O for that. You click with the when there is the O. Wherever you want to give that one, give the O for that. After the next player ask for him as the X for that, give by X. The given by the respective moves are given. Go to move one, move two, move three at all. Now you want to block this one diagonally. You want to place from as the this having the zero want to place it. After place by X, okay, zero. We had one more options are there. You can able to place on by X by here. Once placed by here X, okay, we can able to give by the O by here, then you can able to winner for that. So the most of chance will be available on is the winner by X only. So try to place by here, that is also you have to winner for as the winner. If you want to block this one, you already blocked. So you can able to place on here, you can able to make it by winner for that. So automatically given by the winner equal to the X. After the winner, you cannot possible to make by any move for that. You cannot possible any move for that. Again, you want to make by the save. Okay, the file going to be as a save and run. Okay, you can able to run the code. Give by the empty code will be displayed there again. That means is that you want to go to terminal. You want to go to the terminal. You want to give the command as the npm start need to be give. Npm start need to be give here. So it will come from the terminal. I have to give by the save. Suppose I have a save here. Save and I make it by the control Z on here. Control C. Okay, do you want terminate? Yes. Okay, now you can see here when I make reference, it won't show anything. It's having that is the problems are showing. Now I can type by that is the npm start. When I make by the npm start, okay, it is going to be a create. Previously it is showing that as though it is not connecting the file. After npm going to be start, all the thing will be loaded here. Localhost want to be open and open the files. So you can able to see on that is the one small game with the tic tac toe game. First give by the X, then O, then give by the X. Then after give by here as the X, then here give by the X. Here you can able to give the possibility give from as that is the here as the X means you going to win. You place by X here. Okay, we have the one more possibilities are there. We place by here X. So we have the possibilities are there. The X is going to be winner for that. Okay, thank you. Thank you for can watch this video and subscribe my channel. Okay. Without skipping, you can able to watch. So you'll get by the latest update video you can able to see.